One of the many memorable moments while here was winning the 2016 AFL footy tipping competition. And Alan, if you're watching, I'm still waiting for my trophy, actually.
I'm Elizabeth Buchan.
I'm Prue Davey.
And we're both Judges Associates at the County Court of Victoria.
We did a lot of work in the Federal Court and the Federal Circuit Court, and it was really a good hands-on opportunity to spend a lot of time in court and deal with kind of the forms and things like that applicants need to go through. So that was a really great experience first up.
Right now I'm at West Justice Community Legal Centre. I'm working on their employment project with migrant and refugee workers who've been exploited at work.
My experience at JC was pretty varied insofar as I actually did go to court with our criminal lawyer.
I was exposed to a broad range of stakeholders, which was a really excellent experience.
So having a bit of understanding of the court processes and procedures in court is very helpful in my current role.
It was really my first exposure to the processes of the court.
For me, it was a really good first kind of gig in law because it really grounded me in what I really wanted to do with law, which is to recognise that at the end of the day it's about helping people and about helping average Australian with their legal issues which people face every day.
Understanding what's involved in taking a matter to court, understanding how we can help people and understanding the legal process in its entirety is something that JC did for me.
It really put the P in practical legal training.
The people?
Yeah, such a cliched response. Definitely the people.
It's the best workplace. Like, you'll just never meet a cooler and more inspiring bunch of people who will just make you want to come to work and do law every day, which is, you know, we've all been through university, it's no mean feat.
It's a hard ask.
But no, we loved it and we had such a great time.
I really loved helping the clients. We had really wonderful clients in the team I worked with, not-for-profit organisations.
And the training you get here is wonderful.
Amazing
as well. Like,
amazing.
There's some really good practitioners here at Justice Connect.
It was really great to work with different lawyers and mentors and to see their different styles.
They really are willing to provide their time and give you really one-on-one mentoring and training when you need it.
The thing to remember is that you create your own experience here, so if you want to do something, ask someone and follow it up, and if you have an interesting conversation with a client, follow that client and follow their story, because that will bring you a lot of meaning and it will really make the experience worthwhile for you.
I got to working with the kind of policy side of stuff as well, like working with the Women's Homelessness Prevention Project, doing some editing for that, and just seeing how, you know, on the one hand you're working with clients at the coalface and trying to help them with their legal issues, but then also to take that step back and feel like you're part of some systemic change as well. Like, that was definitely one thing that I worked on that I felt really, really great about.
There's practitioners that were really passionate about what they did, and the work they did was really providing support for vulnerable clients, and the clients were really appreciative for the most part about the work we were doing and the value we were providing. It just helped those individuals that otherwise, without our assistance, may not have been able to navigate what's a pretty complex system.